Creating a high-converting Shopify store requires careful planning and attention to detail. Here's a concise guide. Choose a niche. Select a niche or product category you are passionate about and conduct market research to identify demand. Select a domain. Choose a domain name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Set up Shopify. Sign up for Shopify and select a suitable pricing plan. Follow the setup wizard to configure your store's basic settings. Select a theme. Choose a responsive and visually appealing theme from Shopify's theme store or use a premium theme that aligns with your brand. Customize design. Customize your theme to match your brand's colors, fonts, and overall aesthetics. Ensure a user-friendly and mobile-responsive design. Product listings. Create compelling product listings with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and clear pricing. Use professional product photography. SEO optimization. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and meta text for SEO to improve search engine rankings. User experience. Simplify the navigation and checkout process. Implement a clear call to action and easy-to-find contact information. Payment and shipping. Set up secure payment gateways and configure shipping options. Offer multiple payment methods and transparent shipping rates. Trust signals. Include trust badges, customer reviews, and return policies to build trust with customers. Marketing strategy. Develop a marketing plan encompassing email marketing, social media, paid advertising, and content marketing to drive traffic. Conversion optimization. Continuously test and optimize your store for conversions. Monitor analytics, run A/B tests, and make data-driven improvements. Customer support. Offer excellent customer support through live chat, email, and a detailed FAQ section. Secure website. Ensure website security with SSL certificates and regular security audits. Launch. After thorough testing, launch your store and monitor its performance. Make adjustments based on customer feedback and sales data.